Hi, I'm Rachel from Tampa, Florida. I've entered the shell show every year since 2012, and I'm excited to share this fun project with you all. I'm going to show you how to transform a vintage printer tray into a magical work of art with shells and sea life. If you're new to shell art, maybe you're not ready to jump headfirst into a sailor's valentine or shell bouquet, this is the perfect starter project where you can develop your shell art skills and in the end still wind up with something equally as beautiful as some more difficult projects. Let's get started. For this project, here are the materials you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need the printer tray, and you could search for these on eBay, at garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, and finding them is kind of half the fun since they are vintage. You're also gonna need, I would say, about 2 cans of spray paint. I use the paint and primer in one, but you don't have to. Goggles and a face mask for the spray paint. Some sawtooth hangers so you can mount the tray on the wall, as well as tacky glue. The printer tray I'm using already had a hanger attached in the middle, but for demonstration I'm adding 2 hangers on each side. Always remember to do this step before adding any shells, and also make sure to add some tacky glue on the nail and under the hanger to assure the hanger is securely fastened to the tray. Always remember to wear safety goggles and a mask while using the spray paint, and always remember to spray paint outdoors. A printer tray will usually require 2 coats of paint and a 3rd touch-up layer. Allow the paint to dry for 24 hours. Of course, painting is not a mandatory step in this project, but I do find that having a clean light color will help the shells and sea life pop when they're added in the subsequent step. Now it's time to fill the tray. I'm using a tacky glue to secure the shells to the tray, but a 527 glue should work as well. Play around with the different slots to find the shells that complement and contrast each other. For me, it's all about color and texture. In this tray, I'm going for all the colors of the rainbow I can find in my collection. Maybe you want to do the same, or maybe you just want to add shells from a single trip you've taken. Remember, there are no rules here. The world is your oyster. The most important thing is to let your creative juices flow and have fun. Also note, you don't have to exclusively add shell. In this tray, I've included a painting of a shell, a miniature shell bouquet in a paper nautilus, a shell-shaped decanter label, and shell-themed stamps, and shell flowers throughout. Let's take a look at our finished product. Thank you so much for watching.